11 months since the Wuhan virus breached China's borders, some documents have been leaked from the Hubei Centre for Disease Control. They talk about an undisclosed influenza that was spreading at the same time when COVID-19 had just been reported. They also reveal how China presented optimistic figures to its citizens that were far from the reality on the ground. All that and more in our next report.
23rd January 2020. The ferocious coronavirus is spreading in Wuhan. The city is overwhelmed by the rise in cases. An unprecedented lockdown is imposed. Wuhan's 11 million residents are ordered to stay at home. The Chinese regime begins an aggressive campaign to control all information. Armed policemen replace civilians on the streets. Journalists reporting from Ground Zero begin to disappear, and lab samples of the coronavirus are destroyed. It has been 10 months. The memories of the lockdown are yet to fade. The Chinese regime yet to face any accountability, and the world yet to discover the full extent of China's cover-up. Now, a string of shocking revelations have emerged in a leak from where it all began. 117 pages of classified documents have been leaked from the Hubei Provincial Centre for Disease Control and Prevention. It is the most significant leak since the beginning of the pandemic, and it reveals numerous inconsistencies in what was happening and what was revealed to the public. Undisclosed early December influenza, at the same time when the Wuhan virus is believed to have emerged. The documents show another health crisis was unfolding. The Hubei province was reportedly dealing with a significant influenza outbreak. The outbreak was felt most severely in Yichang and Xianing. Wuhan, the epicenter of the coronavirus outbreak, was the third worst hit. The documents show the outbreak was not disclosed to the public. It added enormous levels of additional stress on the already stretched healthcare system. The two outbreaks may or may not be linked, but the fact that China revealed no information regarding the magnitude of the influenza spike raises questions. The documents also show a wide range of COVID-19 data on two specific days, February 10th and the 7th of March. But the figures released for these dates by the Chinese regime don't match at all. On the 10th of February, China reported 3,911 new confirmed cases nationwide. But the documents show that Hubei province was circulating a different total of 5,918 new cases. On March 7th, China reported 2,986 deaths in the Hubei province, but as per the internal documents, the figure was apparently 3,456. The discrepancies are said to be the result of China's recurring instinct of suppressing bad news. The revelations are plenty. The cover-up is brazen. In Wuhan, those who lost family members due to China's lies are still struggling to move on.
To be honest, who caused this situation in the first place? The government cannot shirk blame, not when the situation has not improved. But whether the government has improved or not has nothing to do with me, nothing at all. Now how should I put it? I couldn't care less about the government at present.
If the Wuhan government, the authorities had known this virus is human to human and contagious and told us to protect ourselves and go out as little as possible, just like the way they're doing now, the tragedy could have been avoided. But we got infected without knowing anything about the virus.
The message from the people of Wuhan is clear. China lied, and people died. Bureau Report, We Own. World is One.
Thank you for watching Gravitas on WION's YouTube channel. If you want to stay up to date with what's happening around the world, then subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share. Thank you very much for watching. WION, World is One.